So with our intralogistics management platform, we're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible with mobile robots. So you see that over the last couple of years with our integration airs, mesh-ups with all those AGVs. And now, this time in Düsseldorf here, there's the next level because we have so much interaction between the AGVs and between infrastructure with automated systems, bringing out goods, taking it with AGVs, handing it from one AGV to the other with a standardized pallet. So this is the next level and we are right there. I'm most excited about this use case because the commissioning, building it up was so fast and easy, okay? When I remember back a couple of years, it took a long time to get all the players together. Here now, based on the VDA 5050, it only took us a couple of days with that very sophisticated showcase, interaction with the hardware, interaction between AGVs and with the infrastructure. Well, the biggest challenge, they kind of vary a little bit. What's the biggest challenge for each company? But it's knowledge, okay? It's knowledge and taking all the humans into account, okay? So automating a manual process is change management. It's change management for the people doing it on the shop floor, but it's also change management for the processes and the organizational structure, okay? You're losing people on the shop floor, but you have to have more people in support or in the control center. So this is, besides, of course, technical reasons, but we are kind of very aware of that, but beside all those technical reasons, those software questions, that's the most important thing, to really have the knowledge in your teams and do the change management in a proper way. Well, we have a constant need, we have a constant development of our system, but also on the standards. We as SYNAOS, me as a person, are very involved in that. So the VDA 5050 interface, we're bringing it right now to the US. The Chinese suppliers are picking it up, so it's really becoming a world standard, and we're constantly developing it, okay? We are now version 2.1, okay? That means we are now allowing in corridors the AMRs to drive freely. Then next year 3.0 will come, we'll have free driving areas, okay? But still the chance to incorporate everything into a traffic management. And then on VDMA side, we have the LIV format, the layout interchange format, where we can do the commissioning and exchanging maps in between suppliers and central fleet management. It's getting way faster. So this is a huge development. It's going to be more plug and play. So innovation and growth as SYNAOS is driven by people. It's by the aspiration of people to go beyond what we already know, to solve that problem of a customer that is perhaps even not there, but it's upcoming within the next project. So that drive really out of all the SYNAOS was really crucial for us, and that's our biggest strength.